Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy FX Major. So this is the trade I just took this morning. I'm flipping this account because I woke up. There's something I need to purchase, I need to buy, add money and get. So I had to fund just $100 and see if I can flip it to $500 to $600. If I can get $500, I'll be able to purchase what I wanted to get. So you can see we are in profit. We are almost at $400 now, and I knew it's only step index 100 that can easily give me that money because it moves really smoothly and fast, and I really understand how it moves. All right, so you can see we are in profit. We just hit $400. We have just $100 or $200 to close the trade depending on how it moves. All right, so let me show you guys my reason for the trade. It's pretty simple. Like I said, I just want to flip. I want to risk. I just risked the $100 just to flip and make money. So this is what it looks like. Now, you see, when you're flipping, you don't need SL, you don't even need TP. You just need to stay on your trade and focus on, just expect market to get to your level so you take profit. So this is where I'm supposed to take profit, somewhere there. Now, when it comes to that high, this is the last high on the daily. When it gets to that level, it will want to take out that high. It will want to sweep that high. So I'm very confident that markets will hit that line before it start pulling back. And you can see it's a strong uptrend rather. It's a strong uptrend. You can see how strong. Once you have strong 3 series of same candlestick, that means that market is a very strong trend. That's a strong trend right there. You can see we have more than 3 strong bullish candlestick. That shows that buyers are in charge. People are swinging this very trade step index right now. Look at that. Now, this is the reason I keep telling you guys to start on your daily time frame to navigate through, to analyze from the daily time frame down to top down analysis, because on the daily time frame you'll be able to see bigger picture after bigger picture and understand what the market is actually doing. Now, let's do a bit of market structure. You get to understand why I took this trade from there. Now, you can see here, market has been going up from here, broke this structure, went up, all right, went up, gave us a high, a low, a high, low, a high right there, a low here. And this structure here, this very structure here, this was just an internal structure. So wherever market did here, wherever structure we've seen inside this structure that didn't go above the structure or below the structure, it's just an internal structure. So you cannot really base your analysis or expect this structure inside here to give you any reliable setup. So that's why when market gave us this high, just did a bit of sweep above the structure. Let me show you. Market just swept that structure above, then pull back into a demand. This is a demand because this was the last higher low. So this is your demand right here. So market drop back into the demand. You can take this level as liquidity, even this very tiny low as liquidity. Market drop back into this demand and it has to do the higher high. So because we are in a strong uptrend. Okay, so you can see market is now doing the higher high. So around this level, since it's doing a higher high, it will be going to the next stop, which is that structure, this structure up here. That's the next stop. So that's why I'm buying from this low, from this price to this next stop. All right, to this next stop. So you can see how easy it is for it to analyze on the daily time frame. It makes the work pretty easy. But if you stay on the lower time frame, you might be seeing sells. All right, and you can see again on the 4 hours time frame, we are having strong bullish markets right there on the step index 100. All right, but if you go on the very lower time frame, like the 1 hour 30 minutes time frame, you might find it very difficult to make a decision. All right, you might find it very difficult to make a decision. So you can see we are almost at $500. Okay, so pretty soon we might hit $600, $700, $800. I'll still show you guys what happened next, or maybe I closed with little profit, but I really believe it will get to that point without pulling back. It's pretty strong. It's pretty strong because on the 30 minutes time frame, market gave us this week. You see that week right there? This very week. This one here. All right. The market pull gave us a strong bullish candlestick, and this candlestick printed drop into this week, this borrowed week. I don't know how to explain for you guys to understand, but just trying to understand. That's why I keep saying there's so much for us to learn. There's so much for us to learn. That's the main reason you need to join the academy to learn more. So there's this broad week here, which market just dropped into, which means once market gets into this place is automatically seen as a demand. The market start pushing really hard upward. All right, that's why you can see this massive move upward. You can see it's still pushing really strong. It must hit this our TP, this target here before the next pull. All right, so yeah, and again, since people are actually seeing this level as a supply, some people will be selling from here. Markets want to pull really strong into this supply and as well sweep the high before they drop. All right, so that's my idea. That's the whole idea. And this candlestick you're seeing here is the confirmation, my entry confirmation, That was my entry confirmation where I entered the trade. All right, so yeah, so that's it. We are soaked in serious profits right now. It's a very simple stuff to do. Anybody can do it, but you need to be careful. If you don't have enough money behind, don't try to risk all your capital. All right, so that's it, guys. If you check the free Telegram channel, I've been dropping free signals. So if you want to benefit from my free signals, you can join to copy my free signals and also join the VIP for more signals, high probability signals every day, and join the academy to learn how to do this thing by yourself. Okay, so that will be all for now, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how I do my analysis, especially when I want to flip. And when you are flipping, you must see the pressure. There must be a momentum, bullish momentum if you're buying. So here's my momentum here. This level here, you can see market drop. There's a gap here. This is a fair value gap. Is a nice fair value gap. All right, so market just dropped below this week into the fair value gap. So this is my demand right there, and market pushed from the demand. There's a massive rejection right here. This candlestick rejected that level, and which give me the entry sign, like set up, and I entered. So I have so many entry models, which I will show you guys if you join the academy. And that's it, guys. Check the description to join the academy, to chat me up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. That'll be all for now. All right, bye bye. I feel I should close out already. That's gotten to that, close to that supply. It might pull. If it pull, I will close out for now.